and evening to everyone that showed up. Welcome to the 2024 Ganesh Chaturthi Cultural Celebrations.
We're here to celebrate our Lord Ganesha, who is the god of new beginnings and the remover of obstacles. He's also the god of wisdom and intelligence. Any occasion we celebrate, whether it's a wedding or a puja, the first god we worship is Lord Ganesha. Celebrating this festival together with you all every year has been a fond memory for all of us. It shows our strong bond and comrade we share.
That's right. All of us kids look forward to celebrating this festival with everybody on Patton and Indigo every year.
Now let me ask you a fun question. Do you know how many forms of Ganesha are there?
There's only one, right? The small one?
No, there are 32 forms of Ganesha as described in our Puranas. The first 16 of the forms of Ganapati are more popularly worshipped under the name Shodosa Ganapati. Among them, the 13th form, Mahaganapati, is especially worshipped throughout the India.
That's cool. I know a fun fact too. Ganesha is worshipped in many other countries like Nepal, Thailand, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Cambodia.
Not to forget the other countries like the US, Europe, and more where our Indian diaspora celebrates this every year with utmost vigor. That's a lot of fun facts. Now, without further ado, with the blessings of Lord Ganesha, let's start our grand cultural evening with kids from elementary to high school chanting the beautiful shlokas, orchestrated by Sir Shanti.
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननम् अहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोहिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते श्री पार्वती पद्मबन्धो श्री साधिदेव गणपूजितपादपद्मा वदी सनातन ममेहि शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिनित्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनामवरानने मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम
Good job, good job.
మీకు ఇది ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు?
Okay, stay for a picture. Sirisha. Sirisha.